everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet quick and easy face mask. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. I'm using light blue yarn and stitch marker and a hook size 1.75 mm. So we will start crocheting. First, make a slip knot. Crochet chain 16. We will crochet total chain 16 foundation chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16, total 16 chain. Then the first row, go for the first row. We will skip the first chain and work from second chain. Work one single crochet in each chain. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15, total 15 single crochet. That is, we have worked one single crochet in each chain. The next row, second row, chain 1, turn the work and work one single crochet in each 15 stitches. Complete the row with one single crochet in each 15 stitch. Here we complete second row. Then go for next third row, chain 1, turn the work. We will first mark the middle stitch, count 7 stitches into 8 stitch, make a mark. Both side we will have 7 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Into the middle stitch we have mark. Then we will work one single crochet in 7th stitch, 1 2 3 4 5 and 7. Then in mark stitch we will work 3 single crochet, 3 single crochet in the same stitch in the mark stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will mark in the middle single crochet of 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. The 3 single crochet, the middle single crochet, we will make a mark and continue crocheting in last 7 stitches. 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then chain 1, turn the work. Now next row, that is 4th row, in each stitch we will work 1 single crochet. Even in the mark stitch we will work 1 single crochet. For 4th row, just remove the mark and work 1 single crochet, and again make mark in the same stitch and complete the 4th row with 1 single crochet in each stitch. After 4th row, next 5th row, chain 1, turn the work. Now we are going to repeat the 3rd row, that is in the mark stitch, that is in middle stitch we will work 3 single crochet in same stitch. We will increase the stitches in odd rows, that is 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 row we will work 3 single crochet in middle stitch, and in other stitches 1 single crochet in each stitch. And for even row, that is 6, 8, 10, 12, in these rows we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. That goes even and alternate. Each time don't forget to make a mark in the middle stitch. Complete 5th row with 1 single crochet. Then next 6th row, which is even row, we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Complete total 14 rows. With odd middle stitch, 3 single crochet, even 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here is our 14 total 14 rows complete. First 2 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch, then total 12 rows of odd and even. Then next 15th row, 1 single crochet in each stitch. We will work 1 single crochet in each stitch for next 14 rows, that is from rows 15 to 28th row. We will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. For easy counting of 14 rows, just make a mark at 15th row, this 15th row, so you can count easily total 14 rows. Here is our total 14 rows: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 of 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now again we will decrease the stitches. For that we will count the middle stitch and make a mark in the middle stitch. On the both side of the mark we should have an equal number of stitches. So we will go for next row, that is 29th row, which is an even number. Go for chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet till 1 stitch before the mark. We have worked 1 single crochet before the 1 stitch of the mark. We'll work in these 3 stitches, that is 2 sides of the mark. Remove the mark and work 3 single crochet together and go through all the loops on the hook. This is 3 single crochet together and make a mark to that stitch and then work 1 single crochet in all next stitches and complete 29th row. I'm just counting the both side stitches whether we have an equal number of stitches on the both side. Then for next 30th row, chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. We will go for alternate odd and even. Same, we will decrease the stitches. After 30th row, for 31st row, chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch till 1 stitch before the mark. Then in this 3 stitches, work 3 single crochet together. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull through all the loops on the hook and make a mark to that stitch. Then in next all stitches we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. For next row 1 single crochet in each stitch. Repeat odd even till 40th row. Chain 1, turn the work and work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Complete till 40th row and decrease the stitches, that is total 12 rows. We have increased by 12 rows. Now we are going to decrease by 12 rows. We'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows. At last we will have 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. As for first 2 rows, we have worked 1 single crochet in each stitch. For last 2 rows, 41st and 42 row, we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch and complete the all stitches, all the rows. Now we will make an ear loop, make a chain, number of chain which will be comfortable to your face. Make a chain according to that and then attach it on opposite side with 1 single crochet. On both upper and side border we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. After that, after covering the upper border, work the same chain ear loop on opposite side also, and then complete the lower border with 1 single crochet in each stitch. Here we complete our face mask. Attach a filter to the face mask and then use it. And if you're really enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye bye.